Looking for a fun way to keep kids active and entertained all summer long? Instead of spending hundreds on water parks, an inflatable water slide can bring the excitement right to your backyard. Today we're reviewing the 16 feet Ice Pop Inflatable Wet and Dry Dual Slide, a colorful inflatable play center featuring dual racing slides, a splash pool, climbing wall, and an included air blower for quick setup. But is it worth the investment for family fun? Let's find out. This inflatable water slide is designed for families who want a complete backyard entertainment center. Its bright ice pop theme immediately grabs children's attention, while the dual-lane layout allows two kids to race at the same time. Because it works in both wet and dry modes, it isn't limited to summer. You can also use it without water during cooler seasons. Whether it's birthdays, family gatherings, or everyday backyard play, it's built to provide hours of active entertainment. Let's begin with the main attraction. The 16-foot dual racing slides allow two children to slide simultaneously, adding a fun competitive element. The integrated climbing wall helps kids safely reach the top while encouraging physical activity. When connected to a garden hose, the built-in water system keeps the slides slippery for a smooth ride into the splash pool below. The inflatable is made from heavy-duty materials designed to handle energetic play while maintaining stability. Convenience is another major advantage. The included high-power air blower inflates the entire structure in just a few minutes, making setup simple even for first-time users. Deflation is equally quick for storage after use. The splash pool provides a safe landing area while also giving children space to cool off during hot weather. Its compact folded size makes it easier to store than many permanent outdoor play structures. In real-world use, the inflatable performs exactly as families expect. The blower keeps the structure fully inflated during continuous play, while the dual slides allow multiple children to enjoy the attraction without long waits. The climbing wall, slides, and splash area encourage active movement instead of screen time. Parents also appreciate the quick setup and the ability to create a mini water park in their own backyard without leaving home. For birthday parties or summer weekends, it's an excellent source of entertainment. So, is the 16 feet Ice Pop Inflatable Wet and Dry Dual Slide worth buying? If you're looking for a fun backyard attraction that combines water play, active exercise, and easy setup, this inflatable is an excellent choice. Its dual slides, climbing wall, splash pool, wet and dry functionality, and included blower offer tremendous value for families with young children. While adult supervision is always important, this inflatable delivers hours of outdoor fun and can easily become the highlight of summer. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of outdoor toys, backyard equipment, family products, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.